Alrighty guys, so I have my P.O. box. It is in Good morning guys and happy Tuesday. I am just now like starting the vlog and I was on the phone with my mother-in-law earlier. I misplaced some paperwork for Brian and have to get new paperwork. Oh, it's just been a crazy morning. And then I had to come here to the library to print off all of my paperwork for my post office box, for my P.O. box, because I don't have a printer at home and I didn't want to run all the way out to Brian's work to go get it. So I came here to the library to get it, and now I'm headed to the post office to get that P.O. box number for you guys. Yes. And it's just been crazy. It's just been a crazy morning. I did step off and got a Starbucks because I had a free reward. So I got a venti. It is so good. It's like 40 degrees outside and it never feels like as cold as it says it is, but it is like chilly outside. But obviously I just have like a sweater on, and it's so funny, I forgot that I had this sweater. And I was in my closet yesterday in the guest room, and I have clothes hanging in there too, and I saw the sweater. I'm like, oh my god, I love that sweater, I need to wear it. So I just put it on today with my navy blue shirt, because I really can't wear any, like, you could probably wear a red shirt with it, which would be kind of cute too, but I just went ahead and threw on a navy blue shirt underneath it, and then just wore this because it's just super cute, and it's so perfect for a chill day like this, because it's not too hot, it's not too cold. So and it's just a perfect like cardigan. It's a like long cardigan, so I like it. Oh, anyway, so I got that checked off my list, which is awesome. The library, and then I got a library card, which is amazing. I've lived here now almost 8 years and I've never ever been in that library, and I'm not saying I'm never gonna like need to go in there again, but you just never know. I need to probably buy a printer, but I don't need to, but I could probably buy a wireless one. Ooh, like a Wi-Fi one. That might work, that might help. But anyway, so I am headed to the post office right now as we speak. I mean, y'all are gonna go with me right now into the parking lot of the post office so I can get my P.O. box, and I will bring it back and I will share it with you guys as soon as I have it. I cannot believe. I was supposed to get it like last week. Remember, I told you guys I was gonna have it by the end of last week, but Brian and I left and I couldn't get it. So, and then I promised I would have it by yesterday, and I didn't go out. So today is the day. Let's see how long I'm gonna have to stand in this line though, because the post office looks quite busy. But I'm not leaving here until I get my P.O. box number. So, yes. Let's get this P.O. box started. Let's get it started, right? Let's get it started, and yeah. All right, I'm at the post office. Alrighty, so that took 20 minutes. That place is crazy. But I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I got stamps as well. So yay me. Alrighty guys, so I have my P.O. box. It is, anyway, Angie, K-A-D-O-W, P.O. box 2288. Loganville, Georgia 30052. Got it! I'm excited! Yay! I simply remember my favorite things, and I feel so bad. Okay, so hey guys, so I am on the run again. On my way home, well, I got home and I realized, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to dump off this stuff at Goodwill. I have a trunk full of things that I'm dumping off at Goodwill. And then I actually have to take Brian's stuff to the cleaners, which is in the back seat of the car. And then I forgot to go to Walgreens to pick up some pictures that I have that I'm going to be putting in Christmas cards. So I forgot all of those things, and now I'm out and about, gotta go do all that stuff. So first things first, I'm dumping off the stuff at the Goodwill, and then I'll go to the cleaners, and then I'll go to Walgreens, and then I think I'm gonna go get my car washed and get it vacuumed out and cleaned up because I just love that. And I'm also gonna change the battery in my camera right now because once again it is flashing at me. So yes, busy day, sun is shining, so I'm okay with the busy day outside. See, when it's not raining and the sun is shining, I'm okay with being outside. So yes, let's go get these errands done. Alright you guys, so I went to Walgreens, I got my pictures, and I forgot to go to the cleaners to drop off Brian's stuff, but I was over here, so I thought I'm gonna stop in at Lowe's really quick, which I'm at Lowe's. Can you guys see that? Lowe's. And I'm gonna go in here and get some of those like Ziploc tote little thingies so I can put the rest of those pillows and blankets in that are on the floor in my guest bedroom. So let's go in here and check out what they have. Hopefully they have a bunch of them available. Alrighty, so here are those totes that I'm always talking about. These are the jumbo ones, which hold a lot of stuff. I do not like these ones. They're like little Ziploc bags. I don't like those. These are the ones that I like. So it looks like they have one of those. That one's open. They only have one. Let's see. One. Oh, here's a bunch back here. Two. And these are like $8.28. Yeah, these are $8.28. Let's see, those are like the vacuum sealable ones. I need these ones. These are all jumbos. Let's see. 9 times 4. Okay, I'm gonna get 4 of them. So, yeah, so 4 of them will do. And then I found this. This is really soft. I'm gonna put this in my like girls gift for Friday night. I actually started already getting a bag together, but I thought this was a really soft blanket for like 10 bucks. This thing is so soft, so I thought I would put this in my little Christmas gift bag for Friday night. And now I'm gonna go check out and next place I gotta go. Alrighty guys, so I am back and I picked up 4 of these, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to fit as many of these things, pillows and those blankets inside of these that I can, and then I'll know if I need more. So let's start stuffing.
When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high.
So I actually have one left, which is good because I actually have a few pillows like right up there that I'm not going to reach right now to get down, but I did utilize the one bag that I had, which I don't like these, but these are good for those kind of small blankets, so I guess that's a pretty good reason to have those kind of bags. But other than that, I really don't like those, but they're good for blankets like that. And then here are the ones I just filled up. This one, and then that one back there. So as you guys can see, I really love these things. They hold a lot of blankets and stuff. You guys see I have them all over the place. Not sponsored by Ziploc, but if you're watching Ziploc, hey, I use a lot of your products. I use a lot of your little bags because I absolutely love these things. These are amazing. So yeah, yay for me. I got that done. That is one thing checked off of my list. Now I have to go throw these little boxes away. Turn off the light. Throw these little boxes away. Yay for me. And now I have to, I'm just gonna put those right there for now. And then I have to, I actually picked up a gift, one gift for my Santa package for Friday night. And I showed you guys that blanket already that I got at Lowe's. I'm gonna throw that in the bag as well. So this is the little blanket. Let me just pull that out. I mean, Lowe's, for crying out loud. Such a cute little, and it's so soft. Love this thing. I love blankets. I love throws, and I love giving them. I love getting them. So yeah, always love those. So this is a little bag that I picked out at Walgreens while I was there. Such a cute little bag. I don't think anybody watches my videos. The only person who probably does is London. So London, if you're watching. Anyway, so this is what I'm actually putting inside of my girls bag for Friday night. And actually I'm taking everything out of this box. And what's so cool about this is that the price up there says $40 and it was half off. So I got it for $20 with all of these nice little things and like a bath bomb. I love this stuff. Clean on Me shower gel. This is the butter. This is like a little loofah maybe. A puffy eye attack mask. And then a boosting radiant mask and hand and foot stuff. So this is so nice. I love this. And I love, love, love Soap and Glory. But I'm going to take everything out and put it in the bag and then add to this bag some more things. So that's what I'm going to do for our girls' Christmas thing. And I love like getting gifts, and I love making all the gifts like so pretty. So that's like something I love to do. That's always fun. And now I'm gonna sit down and film 2 videos so I can have those up for the week. I don't know if I'm gonna film them today. I might film them right now. We shall see. But I have 2. I have my, see, is he in here looking at stuff? No, he better not be. This is my, yeah, he did. He came in here and opened this. I am gonna beat his ass is what I'm gonna end up doing because he needs to stop looking inside of these boxes. So I have a Grove collab box that I have to go through, and then a FabFitFun box that I need to go and film for you guys. So those will be up on the weekend. But in the meantime, I'm actually gonna go drink some water because I'm like really thirsty right now. So yeah, I'm gonna drink some water and then calm myself for a second and yeah, go film those videos. So Brian's coffee grinder came in today. His went out on him the other day and we ordered him a new one. So here's his coffee grinder. I'll let him get it out of the box and he can set it all up, but because he's the one who drinks the coffee, I don't. I have no clue how to deal with any of this. So yeah, so he got a new coffee grinder. We got this on Amazon. I will leave a link to this in the description box below if you guys are interested in it. But hey, you never know what's